Do you like plants?
Yes, I do enjoy having plants around me. They add a touch of nature to my living space and create a more calming and refreshing environment. I find it relaxing to care for plants and watch them grow. Plus, they can also help improve air quality, making my home healthier and more pleasant.
Do you have any plants at home?
Yes, I enjoy having plants in my home. They add a touch of nature and create a more peaceful atmosphere. I currently have a variety of plants, including tulsi, aloe vera, jasmine, orchid, rose, and money plant. Each plant brings its own unique beauty and benefits to my living space.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find gardening quite enjoyable. It's a rewarding hobby that allows me to connect with nature and watch plants grow and flourish. I love the feeling of accomplishment that comes with nurturing plants and seeing the fruits of my labor. Plus, gardening can be a great way to relax and de-stress.
Have you ever grown a plant yourself?
Yes, I've had the experience of growing a plant myself. As part of my school's nature club, we were tasked with cultivating aloe vera plants. It was a fascinating process to observe the plant grow from a small sapling to a mature plant. It was a rewarding experience that deepened my appreciation for nature and the wonders of plant life.
What do you think about indoor plants?
I absolutely love indoor plants. I think indoor plants are a fantastic addition to any home. They not only add a touch of greenery and natural beauty but also offer numerous benefits. Studies have shown that indoor plants can improve air quality by removing toxins and increasing oxygen levels. They can also help reduce stress and create a more peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Plus, taking care of plants can be a therapeutic and rewarding hobby. A plant I find particularly useful is aloe vera, a succulent widely recognized for its medicinal and skincare properties. Aloe vera is commonly found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world, including parts of Africa, Asia, and Central America. However, it's also quite popular as a houseplant because it's hardy, easy to care for, and requires minimal water, making it an accessible option for people in diverse climates. Many people grow aloe vera on their windowsills or in their gardens due to its adaptability and valuable health benefits. The aloe vera plant has a distinct, eye-catching appearance. It has thick, fleshy green leaves that grow in a rosette pattern, tapering to a pointed end with small serrated edges along the sides. These leaves contain a clear, gel-like substance which is where most of its benefits lie. The gel is held inside each leaf, and it's often collected by cutting a leaf open and scooping out the gel. Though not particularly tall, aloe vera can spread out and grow in a cluster, giving it a full, lush look that many people find attractive as well as practical. The usefulness of aloe vera extends to both health and skin care. Its gel is well known for its soothing properties and is commonly used to treat skin irritations, burns, and sunburns. In fact, many commercial skincare products include aloe vera as a key ingredient due to its natural ability to hydrate and heal the skin. It's also beneficial for minor cuts, providing relief and promoting faster healing. Besides skin care, aloe vera juice is sometimes consumed to aid digestion and boost the immune system, as it's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. However, it's important to use the gel in moderation and ensure it's properly prepared for consumption, as some parts of the plant may have laxative effects. In summary, aloe vera is a versatile and resilient plant with numerous health benefits. Its ability to provide natural remedies for a variety of skin and health issues makes it a valuable plant for people worldwide. Its ease of care and multiple uses make it a truly beneficial addition to any household.
How can we encourage more people to grow their own plants?
To encourage more people to embrace gardening, we can start by promoting the numerous benefits of growing plants. These include improved mental and physical health, reduced stress, and a greater connection to nature. Additionally, highlighting the environmental benefits of gardening, such as reducing carbon footprints and conserving water, can inspire people to take action. To make gardening more accessible, we can offer educational resources and workshops, providing guidance on plant care and gardening techniques. Creating community gardens and urban farming initiatives can also foster a sense of community and encourage people to get involved in gardening. By making gardening a more social and enjoyable experience, we can inspire more people to cultivate their green thumbs.
What are the ethical implications of genetic engineering in plants?
Genetic engineering in plants, while offering significant potential benefits, raises several ethical concerns. One primary concern is the potential for unintended environmental consequences. Introducing genetically modified organisms into the ecosystem could disrupt natural ecological balances and have unforeseen impacts on biodiversity. Another ethical issue is the potential for corporate control over the global food supply. Large corporations may dominate the market for genetically modified seeds, limiting the choices of farmers and consumers. This could lead to economic disparities and undermine food security, particularly in developing countries. Furthermore, there are concerns about the long-term health effects of consuming genetically modified foods. While rigorous testing is conducted to ensure safety, some individuals remain skeptical about potential risks. Finally, the ethical implications of altering the genetic makeup of plants raise questions about the nature of food and the future of agriculture. It's important to consider the potential social and cultural impacts of these technologies and to ensure that they are used responsibly and equitably.
How can we reduce the use of pesticides in agriculture?
To reduce pesticide use in agriculture, a multifaceted approach is necessary. One effective strategy is to promote the adoption of sustainable farming practices, such as crop rotation, intercropping, and cover cropping. These techniques can help to naturally suppress pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Additionally, encouraging the use of biological pest control methods, like introducing natural predators or using beneficial insects, can help to manage pests without relying on harmful chemicals. Another important step is to support research and development of pest-resistant crop varieties. By breeding plants with natural resistance to pests and diseases, farmers can reduce their reliance on pesticides. Finally, educating farmers about integrated pest management, IPM, strategies can empower them to make informed decisions about pest control. IPM involves a combination of techniques, including cultural, biological, and chemical control, to minimize pesticide use while maximizing crop yields. By adopting these sustainable practices, we can reduce the environmental impact of agriculture and promote healthier food production.
What role do medicinal plants play in traditional medicine?
Medicinal plants have played a pivotal role in traditional medicine systems across various cultures for centuries. These plants, often referred to as herbs, have been used to treat a wide range of ailments, from common colds to serious diseases. They form the foundation of many ancient healing systems, such as Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and Unani medicine. These plants contain bioactive compounds that possess therapeutic properties. For instance, willow bark, a source of salicylic acid, has been used to relieve pain and fever for millennia. Similarly, plants like ginseng and turmeric are renowned for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Many modern pharmaceuticals are derived from or inspired by compounds found in medicinal plants. Beyond their medicinal value, these plants often hold cultural and spiritual significance. They are used in rituals, ceremonies, and daily practices, reflecting deep-rooted connections between humans and the natural world. As we delve deeper into the science of traditional medicine, we continue to uncover the potential of these natural remedies, offering hope for a healthier and more sustainable future.
How can we protect endangered plant species?
Protecting endangered plant species requires a multifaceted approach that involves conservation efforts, sustainable practices, and public awareness. One crucial step is to establish and maintain protected areas, such as national parks and botanical gardens, where these plants can thrive without human interference. Additionally, ex situ conservation techniques, such as seed banks and tissue culture, can help preserve genetic diversity and safeguard endangered species. These methods involve collecting and storing plant material in controlled environments, ensuring their survival even if their natural habitats are compromised. Public awareness and education are essential to promote the conservation of endangered plants. By raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity and the threats facing plant species, we can encourage individuals and communities to take action to protect them. This can involve supporting conservation organizations, practicing sustainable gardening, and avoiding the purchase of endangered plant products. Furthermore, international cooperation is necessary to address transnational threats to plant biodiversity, such as illegal trade and climate change. By working together, countries can implement effective conservation strategies and share knowledge and resources.